So then the next part we want to talk about is niche specialization. Now, it's one thing to tell somebody, oh, you should get a niche. That's how you'll earn more money. But where do you find a niche? What is your niche? So what we want to do is we want to help give you a niche. And we want to talk about the Ielts exam preparation niche. So exam preparation is a massive industry. The Ielts is probably the biggest exam out there that people take to prove their level of English, right? Ielts stands for the International English Testing System, and it is an exam taken by over 3 million candidates every year. So there's a huge demand for teachers that specialize in preparing students for these exams. So the students take these exams because they want to immigrate to a new country, because they want to go study abroad in Canada or the US or Australia, or they want to get a job in an English-speaking country or an English-speaking company, and they need to prove that they have the sufficient level of English. They take this exam, they get a certificate that proves that, and the companies and the countries and immigration departments all over the world accept Ielts. It's internationally recognized. So this is why we included it. And Roxanne Buerta is another eTEFL Online graduate of ours who specializes in this and helped us create this program for you to give you that little bit of a head start in this exam preparation niche. Roxanne, are you there?
I am. Hello.
Hi, there's
Thank
Roxanne.
you, Jody.
Hi, Roxanne. Welcome.
Hi. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. Yes, as Jody said, it's been an amazing niche for me. It's really helped me gain a lot of students. It's really quite enjoyable to teach as well. So in the course, firstly, I have included a detailed breakdown of each part. This is important for you to know because you need to pass this information on to your student so they know what to expect. And I'm sure you all know knowing what to expect when you walk into exam makes you a lot more confident in taking on each task. And then I have included explanations of each task type. First, it's broken down into the 4 sections of the exam. So there's the reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So for each part of the exam, there's a certain amount of task types. So there's a detailed explanation of each task type. And this is also very important because you are going to feel confident as a teacher to guide your student in fully preparing them for each task and helping them obtain their best possible band score. And next, in each section, there is also over 140 PDFs, 90 minutes of audio, and 45 minutes of video resources. So all of these resources they help you as a teacher to get a good understanding of the exam. And they're also very useful to use when you are actually teaching your students because there are activities that you can give to your students during lessons. And then there is also additional PDF resources such as example exam papers, answer sheets, and these can be used for mock exams with your students. There are also band descriptors to help you gain more of an understanding of the marking criteria for both the speaking and writing sections. I've also included various language resources to help with the preparation. These are things like linking structures for the writing, different topic lists that your students can expect, and vocabulary lists that will be very important. Just going back to the PDFs, they're broken down to match the task types. So you'll get an explanation of the task type, then you will have PDF resources with activities to help your students prepare for that task. I don't think I explained that too clearly at the start, but yes, and that is the course.
Thank you very much, Roxanne. So yeah, just to clarify something about the band descriptors, all right? These are things that you will learn in the course, but for example, Ielts, the student can't fail. They don't pass or fail. They just get a level, a band. So they can start from like band 1 to band 9, all right? So for example, the student wants to attend university in the United States. They tell him that you need a band 7 or 8 for this specific course. All right. So that's what they'll be aiming for. And that's what the resources are going to help you understand, so that if your student comes to you and says, look, I need to do the Ielts exam and I need to get a band 7. Is it possible? And you can evaluate the student and then help them achieve that band score.